Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shushmita and all of you are watching me on mrsouch. So today in this video I'll be creating this look right here. This is specially for Saraswati Puja and I've already shared another look on my channel, so don't forget to check that out as well. So in this look I have created a sweat proof base with yellow eye makeup, and this eye makeup is very easy, so even beginners can do it. And yeah, this is the look guys. So without much further delay, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, that would mean a lot to me. So first of all, I'm using a primer, and this is Sugar's aquaholic primer. This is a hydrating primer. This will not only act as a primer but will also act as a moisturizer. Next I'm using this Swiss Beauty real makeup base. Now this will give my base a slight dewy finish, and this also acts as a primer as well. Now I have applied this one, and next what I'll do is I'll use this peach corrector by Swiss Beauty. Again, this is the HD concealer in the shade Desert Suede, and then I'm applying it on the dark spots or dark circles I have. And then what I'll do is I'll use this full coverage foundation by Huda Beauty. Now this is a very full coverage foundation, so I'm using very less amount, and I have made dots on my face and I'm blending it using a concealer blending brush. You can simply use a foundation blending brush as well, or a wet sponge. Now I am slowly building up the foundation and I'm blending it slowly, so you can see I haven't used much of the product. Now I'm taking this concealer by Maybelline, and this is in the shade 04 Caramel, and this is from their Fitme range. I've applied it on the areas where I just want to slightly brighten up. This is not very light to my skin tone, yet slightly lighter. Now taking this makeup fixer by Forever 52, I'm spraying it all over my base makeup before setting it with loose powder. Now taking this Nyx Powder Puff lippie in the shade Moody. I've used it several times as blush, so I'm blending it using a wet sponge. Now I have taken this loose powder by Makeup Revolution. This is their HD Super Matte loose powder, and I'm applying it all over my face to set the base, since I've already applied all the cream products which I wanted to apply. Next what I'll do is, once I've set the base, I'll just quickly do my eyebrows, and for that I'm using this eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. This is their Express eyeshadow palette, and from there I'm using this dark brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. So before filling it in, I have combed the eyebrows using the spoolie, and then I've filled my eyebrows in. Next what I did is I'm using a wet sponge to just simply dab on my eyelids, so that if there are any crease, that will sort out. Now taking these shades, I'm putting it on the outer corner. First shade, this is a brown shade, and I'm deepening it out and I'm taking it towards my crease. Once done, I'll take the dark brown shade which I've used for the eyebrow from the other palette, and have applied it on the outer corner to deepen my crease color, or the outer corner of my eyes. Once done, I am taking this beautiful yellow shade from the Carnival 3 palette and have applied it on the inner corner of my lids. Now I'm taking my fingertips to apply, because this will intensify the color and give me the proper color what I wanted. Now once done, I'm taking this beautiful golden shade from the Express palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm applying it only on the center of my eyelids. Now if you want, you can totally skip this step, and then I'll tightline my upper eyelids, and for that I'm using this Z and M or Zayn and Myza kajal, and I'm just putting it on the upper lid. Now taking the Sugar mascara. This has got a fiber and a mascara. I'm coating my lashes. I haven't used the fiber today, I've only used the mascara. And then I'm taking this lighter shade from the Express palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm using this lighter golden shade as a highlighter today on my face, and I'm putting it on the high points of my face. Now taking this lipstick by Sugar. This is in the shade 08 Jackie Brown, and this is from their Matte as Hell Lip Crayon range, and I'm putting it as lipstick. And this is a beautiful brown shade with warm undertone, and this is the final look guys. And off camera I have done false lashes, and I have added a bindi and did my hair, and this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. See you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay gorgeous. Love you all. Bye bye.